Let's talk about why Auntie Ashley says every teen needs a budget. Now, most teens have no idea where their money goes and they are always broke somehow. But you're always giving them money? Are they making money? What if I told you and your teen that budgeting can actually help them have more money, even if you don't have a job yet? Stay tuned. I'm breaking down how to make a teen-friendly budget that actually works. It's good. Jay, stay tuned. I got some good stuff for y'all. Why you need a budget? Let's be real. Most schools don't teach us how to manage money, and it's the one skill we'll use for the rest of our life. So a lot of teens just spend everything they get on food, clothes, and entertainment, and then wonder why they're broke by the weekend. It's because they don't know about the power of budgeting. It isn't about restricting the money. It's about making that money last. When you know where your money's going, you can tell it where to go. Think about it. You get $20 from your parents. How fast does it go? You give $20 to your teen. How fast does it go? Most adults use the 50-30-20 budgeting rule, but let's be honest. Teens don't have rent or bills or all the other stuff us adults have. So we're going to do 50% needs, 30% wants or your fun, and 20% in investing, because if they start saving now, it's going to make such a huge impact on life. So if you have $100 a month, save 50 of it. That other 30 have fun. $20 invest it. How to budget if you have no income. Now, I know some of you all may be too young and not have your own job, and you're asking, what if you don't have a steady income? No worries. Here's how to budget your gift money, your birthday money, your allowance, your side hustle cash. You're going to save your birthday and holiday money instead of spending it all. Put half away. You need to track your spending. You can download a free budgeting app. We have budgets that you can write on for free. Print them whenever you want on our site. You may not earn consistently, but you can earn in small ways like selling your old clothes, babysitting, online gigs. That is so easy. Online gigs, Canva, you know how to use that. Now, what's one way you make money? Drop it in the comments and let me know. I know it's so many different things going on. How's your kids making money? Somebody may be able to learn from your child. Let's share the wealth. Let's share the knowledge. Now we're going to talk about common teen money mistakes. I have another full video on that, but there's so many. One, spending everything right away. Your birthday money, save some. Not tracking it with the budget. We have a free one on our website. And not saving for big purchases. Save for your big purchases so you can get it later on down the line. It's not impulse. Now imagine if you or your teen has saved $10 a week for a year. They have over $500 right now. Now here's some quick budgeting hacks for teens. So here's some easy hacks. Use cash stuffing. Separate money into the envelope. Try the $5 rule. Every $5 bit you get, save it. No spend challenge. Say, okay, this week I'm not saving. On Fridays, I'm not spending. On Monday, Thursday, I tried the $5 rule and saved $500 in 3 months years ago. You all can do it. Think about your grandma, your aunt. Y'all little hustle. Budgeting as a teen doesn't mean you can't have fun. It just means you'll have more money when you need it. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop budgeting boss in the comments. Next week, I'm breaking down the top 5 side hustles for teens that actually pay. Don't miss it.